All right, the drink we're about to make is called Aloha. We're going to serve it up in a martini glass, put some water and ice in there, and let it sit while you're making your drink, and that'll get it nice and chilled for you. All right, measure out 1.5 ounces of vodka. There's 1.5. And follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of apricot brandy. We're going to give it a splash of pineapple juice and shake it up. Get it nice and cold. And of course, aloha means hello and goodbye. So you can have this as your first drink or your last drink of the day. Now, you don't have to do anything, but that's how you make it. And I'll leave the drinking up to you. Bottoms up.